This is a Phantom 3 Pro, and this jittering, as you can see, is a fairly common problem. And as you can see right here, it's wiggling. And I'll just stop it here. See? Okay, now I know a lot of guys have fixed their problem by tightening up this one Allen wrench right there on the shaft. That little Allen wrench on the gimbal arm. Well, I've done that, and it does not fix the problem. I think I've isolated the problem to the camera mount right here, and you can see it's loose. Look, you can see that wiggling right there on the shaft. I've already taken the back of the camera off, and so the next step is to take off the cover on the ribbon cable. Now this is just plastic, so I'm just going to slide it off. Got some pins, as you can see, and they fit in holes, so you just pull it away from the body and pull it out. Now comes the fun part. Okay, so here we are a little closer, and the white strip here is the connector, and the brown is what clamps the ribbon cable on to the connector. So try this. I'm not touching the ribbon cable, I'm just going to pull up on. There we go. See that? Snapped right up. Trying a screwdriver here. Spots. There we go. Here's one side. Here's the other side. This is heading into new territory for me. Alright, so I've unwound this a little bit. I'm going to turn this over. Okay, I just found a very interesting discovery. Let me see if I can get this better for you. I had to very gently get this ribbon cable out. And you can see it right under there if I can hang on to this. And there's adhesive that holds that ribbon cable right to the body of the camera. There, I think you can see it. It's right there. And that's definitely a Phillips. Let me see if that thing's loose. We could have this problem nipped right now. Wow. Oh, it's loose. Look at that. It's loose. Son of a gun. Wow. I'm tightening it up. And I believe we just cured the problem. Look at that. Nice and tight. Wow. Holy cow. Awesome. All right. I'm going to put her back together and fire it up, and hopefully that'll cure it. Because this drone, like I said, was crashed. It was sitting outside for a winter, and it was covered with mud and everything. So we're putting her back together, and I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, I'm going to gently put this ribbon cable back in here, which looks like we just did it. Perfect. And then we're going to reconnect it, which might be fun. I have to get this connector up here. There we go. The clamp, if you can see that. That's the clamp right there. And this ribbon cable goes down there. There. Okay, we're in. Now, push this down. Okay, that's it. It's in. Now we can fire this up, actually, and do a test. Let's try it. Here we go. Nothing else is disconnected. There she goes. Look at that. Wow. Done. Look at that. No more jitter. We did it. This, I believe, is a first. Okay, I'm going to finish putting it back together. Okay, so here we have the Phantom 3 all put together. And I'm going to fire it up. There she goes. No jitter. Looks like we nailed it. Perfect. Look at that. It's all good. This little drone spent the winter lost, covered with mud and snow, what have you. And we put her back together. I did, I should say. And here she is, 100%. Okay guys, thanks for watching.